everyone. I hope you're doing okay. As promised, we're back with a new video. And today we will talk about our magnetic material, our magnetic sheeting, in fact. And we will offer tips how you could save time and money to print on it, or even to use the right material that is appropriate for your project. So don't hesitate to share those videos with members of your team. It could be useful for them. What comes to your mind when you hear the word magnet? Maybe it's a fridge magnet, like this one. That could be a memo magnet, a calendar, or even a business card. Or it could be a car magnet. For example, a sporting team, or even the popular ribbon magnets. So those magnets could be created. You could use our material to print on it. But what is the main difference between those two components? It's the thickness of the material. Even if they look alike, those two materials are totally different in thickness. For example, this magnet that we use for a fridge magnet is 15 mil thick. It's quite flexible, easy to print on it with a digital press, and easy to die cut on it if you need to. But if you want a strong sign for your cars, you need to go with a 30 mil magnet, which is about 3 times the thickness, or 2 times the thickness of the 15 mil at 30 mil. The reason why is the 15 mil magnet will hold about 40 to 45 pounds per square foot. And if we use the 30 mil magnet, you will have a pull force of 85 to 92 pounds. So twice as much with twice as thick. But how is that possible? We need to take in consideration the way that a magnetic sheeting is made. For example, those magnetic sheeting are made out of rubber. And inside the rubber, we are able to put iron particles that creates magnetic field. So the thicker the material is, the more iron particles we are able to put inside. So it will become stronger. Nowadays, with the technology, we are able to use a different process. That process is to be able to align the magnetic field wider, and also to have a more consistent magnetic field throughout the length of the roll, which create a much stronger magnetic field. So for example, if you use the same 30 mil magnet, but in high energy, or what we call anisotropic, the same magnetic sheeting per square foot would hold 123 pounds. And if you go to the next grade at 40 mil thick, it would hold 144 pounds. So that's enough to hold a car magnet onto a car. And that's the kind of magnets we recommend. A minimum of 30 mil magnet in the regular strength, or you could go with something even greater with the high energy 30 mil or 40 mil. If you want to know more about the data and the pull force of our magnetic sheeting, because we have a wide variety of them ranging from 12 mil to 60 mil, in the description of this video, there's a link that will put you onto our website, and there's a blog there that is mentioned pull force. And you will see for the regular and the high energy, the difference in pull strength per square foot for each thickness and each material. Now, a question remains. Is that easy to print on magnetic material? Well, our next video will be talking about that. And so stay up to date, keep on the watch for the next email coming in, and we will resume our conversation with that video mentioning about the digital equipment. Is it easy to print on magnetic material depending on the type of equipment you have, and how we could also provide tips to help you with that matter. Thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.